What's going on, guys? All right, so we got a little bit of time today, so I'm gonna work on the actual race car instead of my shitty iRacing career. So I'll give you guys kind of the lowdown on what we're gonna do today. This fuel tank needs to get moved over. I need a little bit more left weight bias. We're not allowed to move the frame rails or anything like that, so basically I'm just going to take it and hug it over. I'll probably end up moving the lead weights that are right here. I'll end up moving these. I'll probably just build a bracket so I can get them over some more also. And then yeah, we're going to take this tank out, clean out all the dirt in there because there's still a ton of dirt in there, which is no good for anybody. And then take this, cut these tabs, cut this tabs. I might end up rebuilding a new protector. With the plastic tank you have to run a steel protector, so we need to keep that no matter what, but it's just a matter of making it fit a little bit nicer so that this shit doesn't happen because there's still wet dirt in there. But yeah, so we'll end up moving that over, cutting these mounts, moving a bunch of this stuff, cut some of this shit out of the way. I'm gonna cut these are the trunk mounts, and I cut those off. I want to cut this plate off because it's not really doing a heck of a lot of anything other than our transponder mount. I'll build this out of aluminum so that we can save some weight over here because it's like a piece of 1/4 inch angle iron that just doesn't need to be there. Probably not today, but I'll end up rebuilding these shock mounts. They're all twisted and fucked and there's a bunch of foam stuck in between them. So redo that. I'm gonna pull the fuel lines right now, get that stuff kind of out of our way so that I don't start any big fires. That's the plan. That's what we're gonna do. Look at how much weld they got on this. Oh, gross. That one's not terrible, but come on. Come on, look at that. Oh, come on. Oh, well, you guys probably didn't see because I just noticed the camera fell, but she's out with a couple zip wheels, a couple arm jerks with the old Sawzall. Now I just gotta clean all this stuff up, grind it all up. Like I said, I want to cut this crawl under here. I want to cut this off, but it looks like they welded that fully, so that's a disaster. So I might just end up torching it right along there and calling it done. But I might wait until I get this thing on the hoist to do that, just because it's kind of a pain in the ass to do on the ground. The trunk mounts are off, and this disgusting debauchery is out. So I might end up cutting these off tonight because I want to move the rear hoop. back a little bit. So I might cut those off and then go from there and cut these. These are kind of useless now. I'll build some nicer brackets for that. I'll probably just to make it nice and easy. Same thing down there. Grind the spots nice and go back to it. So hopefully the car doesn't fold. I don't think it will, but you know, never know. She is like a 35-year-old car. Somebody stiffened the frame up already because I'm assuming it's all rotten underneath. Usually you don't stiffen stuff unless it needs it. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut these off now. I'm gonna cut these pockets out because those ones are no good. They're all bent and uneven and fucked. I'll probably stop hitting my knee off of it too. I might torch that just now, just to get it done and over with, and I'll clean it up later. So I don't know, we'll see how ambitious I get. I might just be able to cut this side of the weld, bend it over. So judging from the welding that's on this thing as it is, how we bought it, I want to make that clear as we bought it. I didn't do none of that. So we're gonna clean it up, make it gooder. Watch me cut. Is this where we insert like a watch me nay nay? Watch me cut, watch me whip, watch me cut, watch me nay nay. I don't know. I don't fucking do none of that shit. But I did just get TikTok, so we're gonna try and do some TikTok content. I know I'm like blabbering. I'll just get back to work. Come on. That was nice though. I instantly regret not doing this beforehand because now there's way more space in here to mess around. Show you guys why that was such a struggle, other than my dog wanting to play. Other way, come on. Other shot. So they got, other than filmed with foam, but they got this bar, and it looks like it runs on the inside of this HSS. I don't know if that's normal, if people do typically do that, but it's done in here, so I don't know. Working with what we got. They obviously filled it with foam, because that's, of course, but they welded it to that bar. So it looks like this bar's been cut anyways, so I could probably just cut that right out. So maybe it's not welded all the way through. What do you think? Is it? You don't care. And obviously there's a bird's nest in there too. I want to make these, I might make like a bolt-on plate here and kind of do what they do for like drifting, where they have like a plate that they can just build a bash bar and have it plated on there. Just a couple quick nuts and bolts or pins or whatever, just something easy that we can change it out if we need to. Doing it the way they had it with the bars sticking out, you get hit and then it bends everything and then nothing stays straight. So you know how that goes. So if we're gonna get hit, I'd like to make it so that we can change it out as quick as easily as possible. Now I'm just gonna grind and clean all this crap up. It would have been way easier to take these bars out beforehand, before cutting the tank support out, but hey, whatever. It is what it is. I did it the way I did it. No regrets, but I'm just gonna clean this stuff up right now, and I don't know if I want to start building a new tank holder or what. So I don't want none of that gross stuff. I'm making more work for myself, but I'm gonna miter the ends so that none of the dirt will get inside and just do it a lot nicer and cleaner. I get it. Guys in this class do what they can with what they got. And I have a lot, so I might as well do what I can with what I got. Big gun. All right, well, as you can see, the shop is full of actual work. So I pulled the race car out. I didn't end up finishing up that gas tank mount and new box and stuff like that, but it's all cut apart. The plan was to put it back together kind of quick and push it back out, but sometimes things don't work like that and I run out of time. That's gonna be it for today's video. Not too much, nothing too exciting, but it's something. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date. If you want to keep seeing our stuff pop up, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of that old race car. So she needs some love, and we're gonna give it to her. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bam.